Hello everybody. I got y'all a demonstration here I'm going to show y'all right after I tell y'all this right here. You know, a few years ago I made a TV antenna, so I could watch the TV 35. It ain't on, the TV 35 ain't on the satellite. And I wanted to be able to watch Oconee Trading Post, so I made me an antenna. What I didn't realize is the very first antenna I made the deadest TV antenna you ever seen in your life. This right here is free TV. The cable companies is raising hell about this free TV. And they have been for years. It ain't just started. That day they had the Georgia-Alabama game, about a week ago, I sold every antenna I had. I could have sold more if I'd have had more made. And I know what some of you think, just by talking. I even kind of thought like that myself. You say, well, if that homemade antenna will do that good, imagine what a store-bought one would do. I don't care what kind of store-bought antenna you buy. I don't care if it's $200 damn. The antenna that I make will stomp a mud hole in it. I got the antenna companies trying to get next to me, trying to be buddies. They wished I hadn't never been born. See, I probably get about 100,000 views a month, and that's people that's like looking up antenna stuff. People that's sitting to buy an antenna, and then whenever they see my videos, they say, hell, I think I can do that. But here's the demonstration. I was actually checking out somebody's antenna, and I put them up a new one, and brung their old one home, and I was trying it out. But here's the video. Alright, I'm out here on the church land. Now this is her antenna, and that's the new booster. I got her old booster here, and we're gonna try it. I'm gonna show you a trick about that too. And here's my setup right here, and I got it scanning right here, like just try to save time. I got Tammy with me today. And so yes, got let me zoom in here a little bit. It's 30%. It's done got 14 channels. I broke in this video, I wanted to tell you something. I don't know if you know that I got 3 antenna channels, but you see the channel you're watching this on now. I'm going to put the other 2 channels I got in the description and in the comments, so you can go check it out if you want to. Okay, you see right here it got 25 channels, but let me make sure the VHF and the UHF is working. Click done here. And exit. Okay, that's UHF there. It's doing good. I'm gonna back up 1 channel. Okay, that's VHF. And by the way, 21 channels is about all we usually get. And that's that Me TV there. I just want to make sure that this antenna right here is working good. So her antenna was fine, and the new booster I put on there was fine. But I'm gonna check her booster out right here. I'm gonna lay the antenna down and... Alright, watch this right here. I'm fitting to bypass this booster. And I'm putting this little connector in there. I'm gonna show you a trick. Now I've known about this a long time. There's a bunch of stuff I never told y'all. Now, Tammy, are you getting this?
Yes, Daddy. I got it.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure.
So you can do this even if I wasn't around?
Maybe not that sure.
Okay, I'll show you here. That's that Me TV there. I got her 1.5 year old booster hooked up. You know what I just noticed? Man, I put the antenna is backwards. So that's probably the reason it wasn't getting that other channel, which that was Columbus. It's actually supposed to be like that right there. Hey, I'll go back to that Columbus channel and see if it's getting it now. Columbus is not local to us. There's the Columbus channel. Hey, there it is. Look at that. I had the antenna backwards. I turned the antenna around toward Augusta. That made me think. I turned it around toward Augusta. We'll see if it gets any Augusta channels. And see, it's turning around to Augusta. And it's got 55% there. It's 55% done. Got 19 channels now. But that antenna, you wonder like how it pick up facing backwards. Man, that ultimate antenna is bad to the bone. And see, this antenna's up high too. You know, most time I'm out here with an antenna 12 foot tall. But you see how tall that pole is, man? I think that's a 26 foot pole. Okay, see that 6.2 right there? That channel's over 100 miles away. Alright, y'all. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe.